First, use number 3 screw rods plus spring washers, gaskets and nuts to assemble the panel bracket. The other side is the same. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the lock catch of the bucket. Install bracket number 1 and use the original vehicle's screw rods to mount the lock catch on the bracket as shown in the video. Tighten the screw rods. Install bracket number 2 and use a T40 torque screwdriver to unscrew the screw rod in the middle of the bucket. First, secure the original vehicle's screw rods, then secure the bracket's screw rods. The bracket comes with 2 hex socket screw rods. Install bracket number 3. The installation position for bracket number 3 is at the second to last screw rod from the rear of the bucket. Do the same for the other side. After aligning the holes of the panel bracket and the support bracket, you can screw on the screw rods. The number 2 screw rods and waterproof gaskets are used here. The other side is the same. Place the cover plate and adjust it to the correct position. Secure the cover plate. The number 1 screw rods and waterproof rubber gaskets are used here. The other side is the same. Tighten all the screw rods. Adjust the position of the support rod. Install the cover plate buckle, attach the sponge gaskets, and tighten them with number 4 screw rods here. Do the same for the other side. Install the clamps onto the 4 drain pipes and mount them at the 4 corners of the bucket respectively. test.